With SmartTurn, you can adjust inventory level, update inventory details, and move inventory from one location to another within a warehouse, as well as among warehouses. This demo will show you how to adjust inventory levels in SmartTurn. Under Inventory, click on Adjustments. Here, you'll see a list of adjustment documents created. To create a new one, click Add. Then the adjustment screen opens. You can then add and adjust inventory items. If the list is too long, you can search for the items by the filter functionality. Select OK after you've added all the items. For each of the Adjust items, enter the new quantity along with the reason for adjustment. In this case, I'll choose Cycle Counted as an example. After all is done, click Adjust. There's also another way of adjusting inventory level. Under Reports tab, you can search for the items through multiple routes: by item, by location, or by vendor, etc. For example, select Inventory by item. The list of all inventory items appears. You can search for the item you'd like to adjust using the filter function. Select the item, and then click Adjust in the action bar. After that, the Adjust window opens, in which you can enter the new quantity and reason for adjustment. Once you've entered all the updated information, click Adjust. This demo will show you how to transfer inventory from one location to another within a warehouse. Under Inventory, select Bin Transfers. Here, you'll see a list of bin transfers that have been created. To open a new one, click Add in the action bar. The bin transfer window appears. In the Transfer Items section, add all the items you would like to move. Click on Add Transfer Items. Here, you can search for the items by the filter function. Once you've added all the items needed to be moved, click OK. Then enter the quantity you would like to transfer and to which location within your warehouse, as well as the transfer reason. Once you've finished, click Transfer. Now you've successfully transferred the items to their new locations. This demo will show you how to set up cycle count of your inventory anytime. In SmartTurn, to perform a cycle count, you need to create an inventory manager and mark it as Use as Cycle Count. So go to Inventory, Inventory Managers, then select an inventory manager and create Cycle Count. You can see the one that you've just created at the top of the list here. Begin counting and update the information by clicking Edit in the action bar. You can enter the counted quantity for each item. And then click Count after you've finished. You can then double-check all the updated counts to see if they're correct with the cycle count results. If so, click Close Count to finish. This demo will show you how to view, add, edit, activate, and deactivate a license number, which is an ID label created by SmartTurn or by the user that is attached to a specific item, container, pallet, etc. To view a license number, go to Inventory, select License Numbers, pick the one that you would like to open, and click View License Number. To edit any of the existing license numbers, click on the specific one and select Edit License Number. The license number window appears. You can now update the inventory items assigned to this license number, as well as any other license number details shown on here. SmartTurn allows you to put holds on the license number. There are two types of license holds. The hold type, holds, will prevent any item assigned to the license from being shipped. The warn type holds will throw away a warning when any items assigned to the license are added to shipment. To activate and deactivate, you'll need to do the same by first picking the license number and select Activate or Deactivate in the action bar. To add a new license number, simply click on Add License Number. The new license window displays. Here you see that a new system-generated license number has been created by SmartTurn. You can then add inventory item assigned to this license number by selecting Add Inventory Item. Search for the items you would like to add by using the filter function. After you've added all the items, click OK. Now, you will need to enter the licensed quantity for each of the items to this particular license number. Please note that the licensed quantity cannot exceed the maximum licensable quantity. Once finished, click Perform Edit. A new license number has been successfully created. SmartTurn also lets you import multiple license numbers at once using the provided SmartTurn license number Excel template. This way, you'll save a lot of effort by not having to enter one by one manually. A storage document is a record of inventory items that are owned by a specific owner at a given point in time. To see list of storage documents, go to Inventory, Storage Documents. To view any specific storage document, click on that one and select View in the action bar. The storage document window appears, and here you can check all the details related to this particular storage document. To edit a specific storage document, pick the one you would like to make changes to and select Edit Billing. Under the Billing section, you will be able to change the quantity and billing rate for the item in this storage document. Click Finalize to save the changes. To create a new storage document, go to Inventory, Inventory Managers. Then select a particular inventory manager and click Create Storage Document by Owner. Now storage documents have been created for each of the owners as of today's date. Now, you can go to each document to edit the billing information if needed. The purpose of storage document is to allow you to bill each owner for the items that you are storing in your warehouses. This demo will show you how to view a list of edits to inventory items and drill down to the details of a specific edit record. To view a list of edits to inventory items, go to Inventory, Edit Documents. Here, you'll see a full list of edit documents. To view a specific edit, double-click on the record or select the record and click on View in the action bar. Then, the edit document appears. You can see the details of this edit record here, with the inventory items listed at the bottom. SmartTurn also allows you to export the list of edit documents into an Excel file for recording purposes. Lastly, to add a new edit document, click Add on the action bar. The Edit Document window displays. You can now enter all the details, including the inventory items that need to be edited. Click on Add Inventory Item, and you'll see the full list of inventory items appear. You can search for the items you would like to add by the filter function. After having added all the items, click OK. Now, you can change any of the item's information as needed. If you don't see the detail you would like to change, click the checkbox next to the item and select Edit Item. Change the information in the Edit page, then click OK. After you've finished editing all the items, click Perform Edit. Now you've successfully added an edit document. This demo will show you how to transfer inventory between warehouses using the pull process. The transfer is initiated from the receiving warehouse. First, make sure you are in the warehouse that you would like to receive the goods. Then go to Ordering, Transfer Receipt Order. Click Add to create a new transfer receipt order. Enter the warehouse in which the goods will be shipped from here. Double-check the Ship To and Ship From information to ensure they're all correct. You can also specify any special instruction in the comments section. Then, add all the items you would like to be transferred over by clicking Add in the Items section. You can search for the items you would like to add using the filter function. After you've added all the items, click OK. Then, input the order quantity as well as the transfer reason. Once finished, click Save. Double-check all the information to make sure they're all correct and click Approve. Now your transfer receipt order is in progress status, and meanwhile, SmartTurn and the other warehouse will be receiving this transfer order. Now, go to the shipping warehouse. Under Fulfillment, Ship Transfer Receipt Order. You will see the order you just created appear. Select that order and click Ship in the action bar. Double-check all the details are correct, and then click Accept and Continue, and Transfer Ship. The transfer shipment is created, and now the items are on their way to the receiving warehouse. Also, the related transfer shipment order is created automatically to track the goods as available to promise inventory as they travel between warehouses. Now, go to the receiving warehouse to receive the goods. Under Receiving, Transfer Receipt. Select the transfer order that was just shipped and click Receive. After that, you will need to enter all the information related to these items, including the assigned location within this warehouse. Now you've successfully transferred inventory between the two warehouses. Alternatively, the transfer can also be initiated from the shipping warehouse using the push process. Since it is very similar to the pull process, we will skip it during this demo. This is the end of this demo. For more information, visit our website at www.smartturn.com.